Hello guys, welcome to another video. In today's video I am back to show you how you can get traffic for your social media or any links. How can you get traffic for free? Today I will show you a Qoura strategy that will help you to how to get views from Qoura for your YouTube channel or for your Facebook or for your Instagram or for your any site that you wanted to visit, people them to visit, or any affiliated program site, any site that you wanted to people to visit. So today I will show you a perfect strategy. If you haven't subscribed my channel, just go smash that subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash that bell icon, because whenever I upload more videos, so you will be notified. So stay tuned with me. So without any wasting time, let's get started. So first of all, you need to open up a website name called Qoura.com, Qoura, Qoura.com. Okay, simply Google it or open it, Qoura.com. Okay, Qoura is a website that will help you to ask any question, any kind of a question that you have in your brain. You can feel free to ask on a Qoura.com, or you have to just answer the Qoura's question. So what is my strategy? Today's my strategy is that you have to find question related to your niche. It means what your niche is. Your niche is technology, your niche is computing, your niche is Android or Apple smartphones, or your niche is dieting. Whatever your niche is, whatever your topic is, just find the topic's questions, and now you have to find the suitable answer for the topic and you have to answer it. Okay, so I will show you step by step, so don't miss the video, and also don't forget to click on a bell icon and subscribe button. So first of all, open up a Qoura website. Here you have to find a question related to you. Okay, so now you have to find a question related to your niche. Okay, here I find it a question about blockchain. Okay, what is the point of the blockchain? If it's a hackable related to question, what your niche have to, you have to find these question. Okay, seriously, then now you have to do. Here you can see a question of what technical skills are needed to become a blockchain developer. Okay, I just simple open up the question. Here they are answering. Now you have to, what you have to just give your comments simply. So you don't know what is the answer, so you have to just copy that same question, just go to the Google and paste there. So here you can see a random articles related. Here you can the first link, 7 skills needed to become a blockchain developer. So here you have to read the whole thing, and you have to just simply explain it in your own words, just reading it from and getting the main points, and you have to just try it in a comment section. Yes, here you have to just here you have to just add your comment just by writing your answer below. What you have to get your answer, just you have to write your answer correctly, what is asking. Now then you have to feel free to visit my link, and that's now you have to paste your link. Okay, so you have to just simply paste your link here. So, and another thing I wanted to just show me that blog book helps me to get the knowledge that if you want to learn more about blockchain, just visit my channel. Just you have to add links. Okay, and another thing, whenever you try to upload links, don't upload directly link. Just go on a bit.ly.com, and here you have to just shorten your URL. It will help you to short your URL. Just go simply here, and just you have to just paste your link and click on a shorten, and your URL will be shortened. Just you have to upload the shortened, copy the shortened URL link, and then you have to add it in a comment section. That will help you to get it. Okay, I hope you will understand how the Qoura is helping us to get the answers, to get views for our site. So if you enjoy this video, then don't forget to give a like, and also don't forget to click on the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash that bell icon, because whenever I will upload a new video, and you will be notified.